We came to check a roof leak, and this is what we found. If you're sensitive, go to the next video. This is not good. It should not be happening, but obviously it's happening, and it happens more often than what we think. This is a restaurant. They had a grease trap. We found 14 dead birds. Not good. There's a couple of things that's happening here. They should have cleaned the grease trap, number one, because there's a fire hazard. So by code, it has to be cleaned every week by a professional. Number two, this is damaging the roof. That's the area that is leaking. Why? The grease would eat the organic roof, and eventually it's going to cause leak like it's happening now. So you, if you're a restaurant owner, make sure you clean your grease trap. It's going to damage your roof. It could be a fire hazard, and also you're killing birds. It's not good. And for you consumers, I wouldn't like what they're doing because they're killing the birds. Also, I think it's a dirty restaurant. It's not good. They should not be that dirty. They should clean it every so often. So let us know in the comment. What do you think? Please like, comment, subscribe. Let's talk less and fix more roofs.